Want Windows 11 25H2? Don't click Update yet, follow this step-by-step guide to upgrade safely. In this video I'll show you how to check your Windows version, prepare your PC, the exact upgrade paths for different Windows releases, tools to use, and what to do if something goes wrong. Let's get started. First, backup. Always back up your important files, use OneDrive, an external drive, or any backup tool. Also make sure your PC is plugged in, has a stable internet connection, and at least 20 to 30 gigabytes free disk space. If you use a laptop, keep battery above 50% and plug the charger in. Under Windows Specifications, check the version field. Examples: 24H2, 23H2, or Windows 10. Note your version, that decides which upgrade path you'll follow. If your PC is on Windows 11 version 24H2, the 25H2 update is usually delivered as a lightweight enablement package. To check, Settings Windows Update, check for updates. If the feature update is available, you'll see Feature Update to Windows 11, version 25H2, click Download and Install, then restart when prompted. This path is fast for most users because it simply enables features already on your system. If you're on an older Windows 11 release, such as 23H2, the automatic update might not show. You have three safe options: Installation Assistant, Recommended, Media Creation Tool, or the ISO file. Download the Installation Assistant from Microsoft's official Windows 11 download page. Run it as administrator, accept the license, and choose Upgrade this PC now. Pick Keep Personal Files and Apps unless you want a clean install. Follow the prompts, let it download and install, then restart. Use the Media Creation Tool to make a bootable USB. Boot from it if you want a clean install or to repair. This is best if you prefer wiping and starting fresh, but only choose Clean Install after backing up. Download the ISO, right-click and mount it in File Explorer, then run setup.exe. Choose Keep Personal Files and Apps to upgrade in place. Always download tools or ISOs from Microsoft's official site, avoid third-party sources. If you're still on Windows 10, first confirm your device meets Windows 11 requirements, TPM 2.0, secure boot, compatible CPU. Use Microsoft's PC Health Check tool or the compatibility checker in Settings. If eligible, you'll need to upgrade to Windows 11, usually 24H2, first, then you can move to 25H2 via the above methods. If you want to get the update early, enroll in the Windows Insider program and choose the Release Preview channel. This lets you seek the update sooner, but only do this if you're comfortable with early releases. If the update won't appear or fails, free up disk space, aim for 20 to 30 gigabytes available. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Update critical drivers and your motherboard BIOS/UEFI from the manufacturer's site. Outdated drivers often block feature updates. Disconnect unnecessary USB devices and temporarily disable third-party antivirus before upgrading. These can interfere with setup. If Windows Update still won't work, use the Installation Assistant or the ISO method to upgrade manually. When all else fails, a clean install via a USB drive works, but only after full backup. After upgrading, verify Windows activation, setting system activation, open Windows Update and install driver updates, check that your main apps run correctly, and create a fresh backup or system image while everything is working.